Thanks for checking in to WeatherBug here on this Wednesday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. We're still focusing in on that west coast storm. It's spreading in some mountain snow to the highest elevations and a gradual warming trend as we approach this upcoming weekend. Look at some of this warmth yesterday over the southern and central plains. We had some 50s, 60s, even close to 70 out near southwestern Nebraska, western Kansas, eastern Colorado. Some 70s and 80s in Arizona, not too atypical there, and some 70s and 80s in Florida. So if you want some warmth, you head down to the corners of the nation, preferably south. The corners of the nation to the north, very chilly, and also to the north yesterday in Minnesota. We are cooling down a little bit behind a very weak wave, and that is dropping temperatures here about 10, 15 degrees, even 20 degrees from yesterday morning, but warming up and ahead of that in the central and southern plains. So there is that very weak boundary. You can kind of see it snaking across the Rockies, and also another boundary in the Ohio Valley that over the last few days has kicked out some precipitation, but very cold to the far north again. And that's where we have lots of sunshine through the day today. A little bit of moisture still working up through the northern New England states, kind of ending throughout the day. And as we pan back to the west, you can still see through 4 p.m. today, mostly cloudy with areas of showers, high elevation snow. And over the 5 days here, Northern California and the coastal communities, we're still picking up 3 to 6 inches of precip. Southern California still a bit, but then the heaviest rainfall over the late week and this upcoming weekend falling in the central U.S. But flash flood concerns still ongoing in California, along with high elevation snow. The Sierra Nevada could wind up with nearly 2 to 3 feet by the time this is all said and done. There is that moisture spreading into the Intermountain West. But notice that colder air retreating back into Canada as we head closer to the end of the week. Today, we'll have some chillier conditions to the far north and 79 in Miami with a few spotty showers.